We have exciting news about our flagship SnowGard system, and believe us, it's big. After 30 years and more than 15,000 linear miles of installation, we've made game-changing improvements to our industry-leading system. Let us introduce you to ColorGard 2.0. We've listened to your feedback, made some significant design updates, and now the new ColorGard 2.0 is faster and easier to install. It is truly a versatile option for both standing seam and exposed-fastened metal roofs. The new internal splice has eliminated the need for field cutting. You heard that right. ColorGard cross members now only need to be cut at the end of the assembly. Install your system on the fly, as the new splice installs directly over S5 clamps and brackets. Winter weather may be beautiful, but if you've ever seen a roof avalanche, you know it can be catastrophic. When snow starts to melt and slide off a metal roof en masse, it can cause damage and fatalities to property and people below. That's where an engineered SnowGard system becomes crucial to protecting your metal roof. SnowGards hold back the snow and ice, allowing it to melt slowly and slide off the roof in small, manageable amounts. Thankfully, we have the perfect solution with ColorGard 2.0. ColorGard 2.0 builds upon the legacy of its predecessor, incorporating customer-driven enhancements that set it apart from other SnowGard systems on the market. With the new splice, the VersaClip 2.0 can now be installed directly over all splices. That means no more field cutting. Gone are the days of measuring and cutting pieces on site. ColorGard 2.0 is a true lay-in-place system. It's the smart, cost-effective choice for installers looking to minimize time on the job. ColorGard 2.0 comes with components that require no pre-assembly, making it perfect for retrofit applications as well as new roof installations. Unpunched and punched cross members are available, depending on your roof specifications, and ColorGard 2.0 now accommodates a wider allowable span, up to 42-inch seam spacings. The new internal splice joins two pieces of ColorGard together and ensures you maintain structural continuity. SnowClip 2.0 can be inserted onto the ColorGard crossmember during or after installation to slow the migration of snow and ice beneath the assembly. Two options are available to accommodate various seam heights. Place the VersaClip 2.0 without pre-assembling. This can be added on the fly thanks to the newly enhanced internal splice. The optional color strip can be perfectly color and finish matched to enhance the aesthetics of your metal roof. This can be obtained in 2-inch strips from your roofing material manufacturer. And of course, you're going to need S5 clamps or brackets, depending on your roof profile. Visit our website to see our full range of options for your unique project. Whether you have a standing seam profile or an exposed fastened metal roof, ColorGard 2.0 provides the customization and versatility you need to engineer a site-specific system. Ideal for both residential and commercial applications, ColorGard 2.0 fits your needs and ensures the safety and longevity of your roof. On standing seam roofing, ColorGard 2.0 pairs with our non-penetrating clamps. Our custom-designed round point set screws create a mechanical interlock that doesn't damage the roof and preserves the manufacturer's warranty. For exposed fastened roofing, S5 brackets rely on factory-applied butyl to ensure a 60-year waterproofing service life. Our brackets have passed the industry's toughest water tightness test, ASTM E2140. This added layer of protection means your roof will stay dry and secure for decades. And the testing doesn't end there. To prove its unparalleled holding strength, ColorGard 2.0 pairs with S5 clamps and brackets that have undergone rigorous third-party load testing for uplift and drag. Use our online snow calculator to input your project's profile, panel manufacturer, metal type, and thickness to specify a system warranted to last the life of your roof. Plus, you'll receive a detailed bill of materials and the option of obtaining a low-cost, job-specific PE wet stamp. ColorGard 2.0 is made in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Texas, which is certified to ISO 9001:2015 quality assurance standards. Because we're held to the highest industry standard and regularly audited by third-party inspectors, we are confident that our products are the best of the best. No other SnowGard system undergoes the robust quality control measures that we have in place, and that's why we're proud to offer a free limited lifetime warranty for materials and workmanship, as well as ColorGard limited lifetime warranty for an additional fee. It's no surprise that our award-winning products are endorsed by every major metal roof manufacturer in North America. And installation couldn't be easier. The first step to ensuring a successful installation is having the right tools on hand. For ColorGard 2.0 installations, we recommend a string line, calibrated dial indicating torque wrench, screw gun, a 13mm socket for impact or ratchet, a box end hand wrench is optional here, a reciprocating saw or circular saw with non-ferrous blades, and vice grip pliers. Start by attaching a clamp on a standing seam profile or a bracket on an exposed-fastened profile on each end of your roof, measuring 3 to 6 inches off the eave at both ends of the planned installation area. Use a taut string line between 2 end clamps or brackets to ensure they're properly aligned. Longer assemblies might require additional intermittent clamps or brackets in order to stabilize and anchor the string line. Next, install your clamps or brackets along the predetermined spacing. The specific instructions included with your clamps or brackets will give more details on their installation and torque requirements. Now it's time to install the crossmember. For unpunched crossmembers, place the VersaClip on the crossmember at each clamp or bracket location. Secure the crossmember with an M8 bolt through the upslope clamp hole. Leave the bolt loosely tightened in case you need to make adjustments as you continue. Once the entire assembly is aligned and adjustments are complete, go ahead and tighten the M8 bolts to 160 inch-pounds. To connect crossmembers, insert a splice piece at each joint between crossmembers. If trimming is required at the end of the assembly, be sure the crossmember does not cantilever more than 8 inches beyond the last clamp. Color strip can be inserted as you assemble the system by sliding the color strip into the crossmembers while the bolts remain loose. Adjacent color strip should overlap about a ½ inch. Secure color strip by pinching the retainer lip of the crossmember with vice grip pliers. Center the snow clip on the crossmember in between 2 clamps or brackets. For assemblies that require 2 snow clips, it's important to space them evenly between the clamps or brackets. Then, hinge the snow clip directly onto the crossmember and ensure the rubber foot engages the surface of the roof panel. Secure the snow clip by driving the included fastener through the pre-punched hole. That's it! You're done! Now you have a roof that's ready for whatever winter throws your way. Ready to take your SnowGard game to the next level? Visit our website to learn more about ColorGard 2.0, including how it can save time and money while protecting your roof, property, and loved ones. Ready to buy or need help designing your system? We have an amazing technical support team that's here to help. Simply reach out to support@s-5.com. Let's go.